Hello everyone, myself Snehal Kadbhane. I welcome you all on today's session. In today's session, we will see how to evaluate integration by using one point method and by using two-point method. Learning objective for today's session is to make students able to evaluate, or we can say to calculate the integration by using one point or by using two-point formula. That is, same numerical can be solved by using either one point method or by using two-point method. And we will say that if we are going to solve a particular problem by using either one point or by using two-point method, in that case, is there any answer in the respective method? So at the end of session, after calculation, we will also compare the results of one point method and results of two-point method. Let us consider a problem statement that evaluate integral capital I is equal to integral between -1 to +1, 3 into e raised to x plus x square plus 1 upon x plus 2 dx. So problem statement is we are supposed to evaluate 3 into e raised to x plus x square plus 1 upon x plus 2 dx, and we have to evaluate this equation in between the limits of -1 and +1, where lower limit is -1 while upper limit is +1. Now we will see how to evaluate, that is how to find out integration of this equation by using one point and then by using two-point method. Solution. In solution, first we will see how to find out integration by using one point formula. Let us consider original equation which was given in the problem statement, that integral I is equal to integration from -1 to +1, lower limit to upper limit, and this integral of 3 e raised to x plus x square plus 1 upon x plus 2 dx. Now we have to find out integration of this equation in between limits of -1 and +1. For one point formula, we equate this total integral is equal to w1 into f of x, or also we can write it only w into f of x. Both are similar, where w is known as a Weighing function and x is dependent variable, independent variable. So it is Weighing function into function of independent variable f of x. For one point formula, value of w1 is equal to 2 while value of x is equal to 0. In case of one point formula, integral is written as capital I is equal to w into f of x, where w1 is equal to 2 and x is equal to 0. Now if we will put these two values back into original equation, then we can write that capital I is equal to w1 into f of x, that is equal to, as discussed just now, w is nothing but Weighing function and value of Weighing function in this numerical is 2. Therefore, we will substitute w1 is equal to 2 while f of x. We can observe at very beginning equation f of x is equal to 3 e raised to x plus x square plus 1 upon x plus 2. In case of one point formula, we have to consider value of x as a 0. Therefore, we will put value of x into this equation. This entire equation is expressed in terms of variable x, and therefore we have written f of x. If equation would have expressed in terms of y, we would have written w1 into f of y. If equation would have written in terms of z, that is 3 into e raised to z plus z square plus 1 upon z plus 2, we would have written this equation is equal to w into f of z. So depending upon equation is expressed in terms of which variable, depending upon that we express the function. Here equation is represented in terms of variable x, and that's why it is represented and expressed in terms of the x, and therefore we have written f of x, that is our function is dependent of x variable. Now for 1 point formula, value of w, that is wedging function, is 2, while value of x is equal to 0. Therefore we will put value of w as well as value of x back into equation, and therefore we will get I, that is integral is equal to w into f of x, that is equal to 2 into, now 3 into e raised to x, x is 0, so we will put e raised to 0, plus it was x square, now x is 2, so we will substitute 0 square, plus 1 upon, it was x plus 2, we have assumed x as a 0, so it will become 1 upon 0 plus 2. E raised to 0 is 1, so it will become 3 into 1, that is 3, plus 0 the square, it is 0, 3 plus 0, it's 3, plus 1 upon 2. After solving this equation, we will get integral is equal to 7. After solving equation f of x, 3 e raised to x plus x square plus 1 upon x plus 2 within the limit -1 to +1, by using 1 point formula, we have obtained integration as 7. Now we will see that if same function will be evaluated by using 2 point formula, in that case what will be answer, whether it is 7, whether it is less than 7, greater than 7, or approximately near to 7. Now here is the solution for 2 point formula. Same equation, that is integral equal to 3 into e raised to x plus x square plus 1 upon x plus 2. We have to evaluate this equation within limits -1 to +1, that is natural coordinates, and we are supposed to evaluate it by using 2 point formula. Now for 1 point formula, this equation was expressed as integral is equal to w into f of x, but when we consider it for 2 point formula, same equation can be represented as integral is equal to, this entire equation is equal to w1 into f of x1 plus w2 into f of x2. As we are having title as a 2 point, therefore there will be two wedging function w1 and w2, and as well as there will be two independent variable x1 and x2. So as title indicates, in case of 1 point formula, there is only w1 and f of x1, and in case of 2 point formula, there will be w1 and w2, and as well as x1 and x2. Now, but for 2 point formula, we can observe wedging functions w1 and w2, their value is not 2, rather it is 1. Why? Because now it has been divided. If we have only one wedging function, as in case of 2 point, that value is 2. Now we are dividing it into two different wedging function, therefore it will get equally divided, that is 2 divided by 2, and therefore w1 is equal to w2, and that is equal to 1. Also, in case of 2 point formula, value of x1 is equal to -1.3 and x2 is equal to +1 upon root 3. I will repeat, value of x1 is minus 1 upon root 3 while value of x2 is plus 1 upon root 3, and value of x was 0 in case of 1 point formula. So that is the difference between 1 point and 2 point, that values of Bayesian function and values of x are different. Now same integral I will be expressed as integral is equal to w1 into f of x1 plus w2 into f of x2. That is original equation, integral of 3 e raised to x plus x square plus 1 upon x plus 2 will be expressed in terms of w1 into f of x1 plus w2 into f of x2. As we know, w1 is equal to 1 as well as w2 is also equal to 1, but x1 is minus 1 upon root 3 and x2 is plus 1 upon root 3. Therefore, we will substitute values of w1 and w2 as well as we will substitute values of x1 and x2. After substituting this value, we get equation 3 into e raised to, it is e raised to x1, therefore it will become e raised to minus 1 upon root 3 plus, it is x the square, therefore minus 1 upon root 3 the square plus, it is 1 upon x plus 2, therefore 1 upon minus 1 upon root 3 plus 2 plus 1 into, now for w2 it is 1, but into f of x2, value of x2 is plus 1 upon root 3, therefore in above equation, original equation, we will put everywhere x is equal to plus 1 upon root 3. Therefore this equation can be written as 3 into e raised to 1 upon root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 the square plus 1 upon positive 1 upon root 3 plus 2, and after solving this equation we will get integral is equal to 8.7952. We can observe that we have evaluated same equation, but in a very first step by using 1 point and in a second step by using 2 point. By using 1 point formula answer was 7 and by using 2 point formula answer is 8.7952, while exact answer for this problem is 8.8. Therefore we can observe that by using 1 point formula answer diverges from the exact answer, while by using 2 point formula answer is much closer to exact answer. Therefore, we can comment that 2 point formula gives more accurate answer as compared to 1 point formula. Outcome of today's session is students are able to calculate integration by using 1 point and 2 point formula and compare the results with exact answer. And they can comment that by using 1 point answer is closer to exact answer or by using 2 point answer is closer to exact answer. Thank you.